Hi friends, it's Flying Lens on the channel again, and today we have a new mini drone from the wonderful company Beta FPV. Let's start right away with the unboxing. On the back of the box, we can already see what's waiting for us. A quick start guide, 2 fresh batteries, a charger, the drone itself, a remote control, cool FPV goggles, and even a small bonus bag with various parts, including spare propellers. Since this is my second drone, I decided to compare it to my first one, the DJI Avatar. The body of this baby is made of solid plastic, weighs only 34 G without battery, and 47 Gs with it. In comparison, the DJI Avatar weighs 409 G with the battery. This is the lightest key that opens the door to advanced FPV. On the back of the drone, we have an optical sensor and barometer to help keep the drone balanced and poised in the air. Plug in the battery and go to new heights. Now let's talk about the light radio too. It is made of soft touch plastic so nice to the touch that you can immediately see fingerprints on it. But that doesn't stop it from working like clockwork. With a 1000 mAh battery, it's ready for long flights and can even turn into a USB joystick for computer FPV simulations. Moving on to our cool FPV goggles. Built-in $10,000 mAh battery, up to 3 hours of operation and weighs only 296 grams. 3 buttons and instant start. Too bad there is no video recording directly from the goggles, but I found a workaround via my phone. And with the 5.8G 14 dBi antennas, the picture is awesome. It comes with 2 standard 450 mAh batteries. You can buy more if you want. The price of one battery on Amazon is in the range of 14 Canadian dollars. It is very convenient that the charger has a tester, with which you can see the voltage of the battery. The time to full charge is about 10-15 minutes. You can also buy more powerful batteries, which will affect the flight time. And finally, a bit of a sad story. This was literally my second flight, and everything was great except for this pigeon. The drone lost communication with the control panel. It was desperately refusing to connect to the radio transmitter. After many YouTube videos, millions of pages of forums, and talking to tech support, I got my new RC board. Since the support service was delayed in responding once every 3 days, I quickly solved this problem myself. And yes, if this video gathers at least 100 likes, I will prepare a full tutorial on flashing and customizing the Beta FPV radio transmitter, as well as the drone itself. After installing 4 bolts and 4 propeller connectors, I heard that familiar sound again. And, of course, a little musical insertion. All in all, the Beta FPV was a great addition to my DJI Avatar and the perfect choice for practicing and improving FPV skills. If you're still with us, put a like, subscribe to the channel, and look forward to more exciting videos. See you soon.